I picked up a 1997 Honda Accord SIR wagon. It's got a H22 A motor in her. Right-hand drive, made by Honda of America. You'll see the logo here shortly. Got a body kit, some tri-spoke wheels, sun damage. You know, the paint's not perfect, but looks good from about 5 feet, 6 feet. Same motor as my 97 Prelude. Interior's just as clean as my Prelude, if not more. Just a sweet little wagon. Here's a shot of the interior. Like I said, pretty clean. Sunroof works. No leaks that I've noticed so far. Fake wood grain. Right-hand drive. It's got a Pexi VTEC controller. Kind of an old school thing. Headliner's in great shape. There's a custom sound system. Those two boards there that I'm moving, you can take the flip-up part and replace it with those two finished-looking boards. It kind of just shows you the subwoofer. Place I got it from couldn't get any of the speakers to work. I've gotten some of them to work. I think some of them are blown, but still working on it. So far, smooth ride. Needs an alignment, I think. It's got Tein coilovers. So I think it was dropped and, you know, it messed with the alignment a little bit. So need to take it to an alignment shop, get that fixed. There's the coilover wrenches. So here's a quick walk around, show you the startup, then I take off. I took my youngest, Vivian, for a ride the other day for the first time. I'll let you know what she thinks in a minute. Here's the paperwork that was in the glove box. Some for the exhaust, the auction grade paperwork, some Japanese paperwork, the Tein coilover paperwork, and here's V to tell you what she thought about the wagon after her first day with it.
I like the sunroof, and I like how it's like soft on the inside. And my favorite thing about it is that it's like low to the ground because it looks cool from inside of the window.
And you were actually taller than the roof when you stand out next to it, huh? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Do you like the Caprice better, that blue wagon, or this wagon better?
I like both, but I think I like the Honda better.
Sweet. Here's a shot of the door speaker. Like I said, there's 3 speakers on each side in the front. And then I pop the hood, give you a look at the H22. I always love the stickers that are on the Japanese import cars. You know, oil changes, maintenance schedule stickers, in addition to the factory stickers and stuff. One thing I didn't show, there's an on-off button on the front center console to raise the antenna so it goes up and down. So here's a shot of the H22. I like the H22. I don't need a whole ton of craziness in this wagon. Like I said, you'll hear me. I recorded a video after driving her around for the first couple days. My plans and ideas for this little ghost wagon. Like I said, Honda of America. Just a sweet, cool. The Eagle logo is killer. But she's fun, smooth to drive. You know, if you push the gas, it'll go. It'll get out of its own way for sure. So far I like it. That looks like the VTEC controller wiring. There's fuses on the battery for the stereo system. So I gotta hit up my boy Danny, have him look at the audio and see if I need to replace any speakers or see if anything's jacked up. Because like I said, the front speakers don't really want to play. When they do, they sound staticky, like they're either blown or not getting enough power or something like that. But like I said, drop a comment, drop a like, let me know what you think. Subscribe if you feel like it. Yeah. And the 79 Caprice Wagon's for sale. Hit me up. Oh, this was in the center console, the little lift up. I think that's like the Easy Pass, the tolls over in Japan. So, have a good one. So I decided to sell the murder wagon, the 79 Caprice station wagon, because I picked up this 97 Honda Accord SIR wagon. Honda of America, apparently, I'm still doing research, but apparently they were manufactured here. They're right-hand drive. They were shipped back to Japan, and then obviously imported back here after a 25-year ban or whatever. But 125,000 kilometers on her, about 77,000 miles. It's got the H22 motor, which same motor that's in my Prelude. It's an automatic, which I'm totally fine with. I want this to be my road trip, daily use car if I need to. Throw the kids in the back, load some stuff in the trunk. It's got a pretty cool sound system that somebody threw together. I'm still trying to get everything to work right, but it's got, you know, these were added. Obviously, there's still door speakers down there and the amps and stuff that I showed you. So, very clean interior, just like my Prelude. I dig it so far. I bought some oil filter and oil. I'm gonna do an oil change before I really put any miles on her, but yeah, very happy so far. The body kit looks awesome. The tri-spoke wheels look killer. Everything works. There is a brake lamp light. I used the GoPro to check the third brake light. All the brake lights work, so I don't know. I gotta look into that and see if I can figure out why that's on. So yeah, let me know what you think. We're rocking the right-hand drives almost purely.